One of CarFest's cornerstones for the community is charitable car repair. We are fortunate enough to give back to those in need using our time, talents, and treasures. This is also a great opportunity to showcase your shop or repair facility to thousands of potential customers. It demonstrates the automotive industry and how we all come together for the greater good to create unity in the community.
It's just another way to bring our industry together.
Each year, 10 local 501c3 organizations are randomly selected to participate. We accept up to 50 applications, and 25 of them are selected by a committee of shop owners or representatives for repairs. You will meet to go over the applications and choose the vehicle that you'd like to work on. Then an appointment will be made about 3 weeks prior to the event to bring the vehicle to your shop for a full evaluation. That's when you'll produce a general condition check of the vehicle. Once the general condition check is completed, all the shops will meet back up to discuss the needs and allocate parts from different distributors. You're done till CarFest time. CarFest 2019 is April 5th through 7th. Your personalized and unique bay will be set up with signage and the majority of equipment needed to make repairs. And all your parts will be dropped off to your bay. All vehicle repairs will be done on-site during the event. Shops are encouraged to wear their uniforms to promote their business. You can even have a theme for your bay. We want you to have fun with it. Once the repairs are complete on Sunday, your repair vehicle will be presented on camera in front of thousands of attendees and receive recognition on social media and carfestsa.org. Within 10 days of the event, the repair recipient will bring the vehicle back into your shop for a follow-up check.
It's something bigger than what they do daily.
Here's your chance to give back to the community in a way that truly changes lives. Work alongside and in front of the industry's top professionals and meet the next generation of students. They could be your future employees. Customers love to support organizations that are doing something bigger for the community. While we don't do this for recognition, we will make sure that you get yours. Showcase your skills in front of thousands, both at the live event and online via our social media channels and website.
This is just a way to really give back to somebody that's truly in need.
The car recipients will never forget what you did for them, and that kind of impact is something that they will talk about.